I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I'm excited to take you on a walking tour of Llevant Beach, one of the most stunning beaches in Barcelona. Located in the Poblenou district, Llevant Beach is a hidden gem that's off the beaten path. It's the perfect spot to escape the crowds and soak up the sun in a serene and peaceful environment. As we make our way to the beach, you'll notice the beautiful greenery that lines the path. It's a refreshing break from the concrete jungle of the city, and it sets the tone for the natural beauty that lies ahead. Once we arrive at the beach, you'll be amazed by the crystal clear waters and the soft, golden sand that stretch is for miles. The beach is well maintained and has all the necessary facilities, including showers, changing rooms, and sun loungers. One of the best things about Llevant Beach is that it's not as crowded as some of the other beaches in the city. This gives you the chance to relax and enjoy the stunning surroundings without feeling cramped or overwhelmed. If you did, please hit the like button and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more travel content.
Butter, garlic, lime.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!